How's it going, everybody? It's Saturday, and we just had an earthquake. It was a 4.3. Just happened. Yeah, the tree moved around a little bit. That was pretty cool. I mean, usually at work when they happen, so I don't notice them. But this one I did notice for sure. We got some running around to do today and some things like that. But side note, I got a new camera. Yes, another camera on this trip. And what kind of camera is that? It's the Gopro 9. Hero 9. It has a front facing screen now. Has the back screen. Has amazing stabilization. Like that. We'll have to do some video with this so we can go over that. I'm enjoying it a lot. Another thing is this one here, the Sony ZV-1 I'm carrying. I need another battery. I don't know if maybe it's this battery or they're just really bad on battery life, but like I'll do 20 minutes of something and then this thing is dead, so I'll have to use my battery backup to constantly keep charging it. So that's not a bummer, but I do need a backup battery in case I start doing more. Anyways, yeah, we had an earthquake. I was sitting there getting ready to go, and then I felt something moving, and they've been doing construction in the room next door to me, so I thought maybe they were just banging around. Nope. Then the tree started moving right here, and next thing you know, I was like, oh, this is an earthquake. Not a bad one, pretty tame, but still exciting. So I'm gonna put my helmet on, ride out to the Toys R Us. There's an electronics store upstairs that sells this camera and everything else, so I'm hoping that they carry this battery, because I went to the Sony store down the street from here. They did not have it, so let's go. Before we go upstairs to the electronics store, this is what I was talking about. That's the Mickey and Minnie I was talking about, but look, that's the price. To give you an idea, that's $800 American. Couple dollar change with the exchange rate. But all of these are like that, like you can see right here. They're so beautiful. And this is in Toys R Us. But my son's birthday is coming up soon, so the selection of cars here. I mean, look how detailed some of these cars are. Some of this, like I got a friend who loves Mini Coopers, and right there, look at that die cast. $6 for that. My son's still a big Fortnite fan, and you can see right here, they got plenty of characters. Those, our little shooters over there, more character stuff. Ooh, that's pretty cool. So that's what I do. I come to places like this, get them some Fortnite stuff, because I know I want Star Wars. Y'all know I love Star Wars. Also, if you're wondering how I shoot the GoPro while I'm riding, it's right here. Just since I got a backpack, it works perfect. Now we're at the electronics store, and look, it's its cousin, ZV-1 right there. Somewhere around here they're gonna have the batteries, but look at this store. It's right above a grocery store, so right below us is the grocery store for general groceries. You know, where you can buy strawberries, 6 of them for $8. We'll do that another day where I go to a grocery store and you see the prices of stuff around here. One of the things I've been looking at possibly getting is a drone. And that's the Mini, the DJI Mini 2. In Japan, they have to be under 199 grams for flying in town. There's a lot of rules here, and if you break them, it can be up to $25,000, $50,000 in fines and jail time. So I'm not going to fly a drone here, but I am looking for future stuff when we get back home. Well, that was a bummer. They don't have any batteries. It's all special order for those. Not a big deal. This is still working. Just got to charge it every 20 minutes. I was just talking about my friend being a Mini Cooper fan, and look at that right there. Right-hand drive Mini Cooper. But it's not like a real sad thing I couldn't get a battery. I'm still, you know, out here with great views. Everybody's out here skateboarding, having a good time. Obviously, Monkey Island over there. Watching everybody fish. Nice peaceful Saturday. Oh, let's do an update on what's going on. So they have declared state of emergency through March 7th. So going out and riding the train and stuff is still going to be on hold for a little while longer, at least until March 7th, and then we'll see if they get us extended past that. But that's the current, I don't know what you guys timeline I got right now. So we got 30-ish days to go. February is a short month, so let's be positive here. Just out riding around right before sunset, and this is Mikasa Park. It's a museum now, unfortunately closed due to current situation. So in the future, hopefully before I leave, it opens up and we can go do a tour. I'll do a tour of that in the future. Looks like the fountains are down. The fountains spray water, do music. That's also closed right now, so bummer, but we're just gonna keep riding on and enjoy the nice cool weather we're having. I mean, I'm in a sweater, but it's not warm at all. Just parked the bike, and look at this. Now y'all know I'm doing project car back home. This is a Sylvia right here, looking awesome. So I also love cars, as you can tell, and they're just everywhere. Those things are all over the place. And Uber Eats is all over Japan. You can literally get Uber Eats. When I was here last time in 2018, Uber Eats didn't even exist. Now you can't go anywhere without Uber Eats here. And now we're back in the room. It's been an interesting week. Got to go bowling this week. That was pretty awesome. They allowed us to do that. We had to limit to 5 people, and we could only be there for like an hour. I don't make the rules. I just do what I'm allowed to do, and that was fun. We actually had a really good time. I won. But it was just fun to be able to go back out and do something with everybody. Also, like I said, March 7th as the next date we got for potential opening-ish. Even when they open, it's still going to be a limited open. And yeah, just views on views up here. This room is so cool. And of course I got the new GoPro 9. I'm gonna learn about it. I tried to do some footage while we were riding around today. We'll see how that comes out. If it's in the video, then you know it worked good. There's a lot of features. There's anti-tilt, all kinds of good stuff. Vertical lock, webcam setup on it. It won't let me webcam through YouTube because I don't have 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, that's a really big bummer. I want to take you guys out there live. Like, we just walked down Blue Street, which is that street right down there. We do it live, but I need like 700, 800, and 60, 800, yeah, something like that to go. So probably won't be on this trip, but we're trying. And I thank everybody who has subscribed, of course. Otherwise than that, I think I'm just gonna go get a pizza, sit down, enjoy the rest of the night, kind of chill. It's a longer weekend for me. I get 2 days off. That's a big improvement. Works a little slow right now, so we'll be picking it back up again. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we want to get to 1,000 so we can take you live Disney World and other places like that. Of course, Japan, but I think we're running out of time on that. So either way, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.